And so we realize that letting go is not loss. It's actually liberation. We liberate ourselves to something new. And so with that, I invite you all to take a few moments with me and deepen this understanding of release with a meditation together. And so with the power of release, it's located in our lower abdomen in our body. And so I invite you to place one hand over your lower abdomen, just below the navel. And if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. And breathe through your nose, feeling your belly rise and fall with each breath. Just allow yourself to be still, to be present right here, right now. And the power of release carries a color with it. It's russet brown. And so imagine that there is a light glowing, a russet colored light just growing and glowing in your lower abdomen. It has that earthy color to it. You can feel its warmth with your hand on your belly. And with each inhale, you are giving strength to that flame. With each exhale, you're allowing the release to grow within you. And so as you continue this process, this breathing in of light, this exhale, releasing in this moment, I invite you to have a look and see what is there, what comes up for you right now that you can work on letting go of. And don't challenge whatever came up. Just allow whatever came up to be. You don't have to think, is it the right one or is there something different? Just go with your intuition. And as you inhale, you can think of it as life entering. And as you exhale, you can think of all is released in love. And keeping the one hand on your belly, I invite you to place your other hand over your heart space. And you can repeat this gently to yourself. I let go of everything and anything that no longer serves my unfolding good. I let go of everything and anything that no longer serves my unfolding good. And you can let your hands down. Allow yourself to be breathed naturally. And as you're ready, you can take a nice deep breath in. Let that go. Honor yourself with a gentle smile on your face. You can even affirm to yourself that I am love. I am light.